Sinharaja Forest Reserve. Sinharaja is a rainforest and a biodiversity hotspot, which is located in southwest Sri Lanka. It is the country's last visible area of 11,000 hectares of primary and secondary forest. More than 60% of the trees are endemic to Sinharaja forest and many of them considered rare. This is much endemic wildlife, especially birds. But the reserve is also home to 50% of Sri Lanka's endemic species of butterflies and mammals, and also many kinds of insects, reptiles and rare amphibians. This is one of the main reasons that UNESCO declared Sinharaja Forest as a UNESCO World Heritage in 1988 under the name of Sinharaja Forest Reserve. In 1936, Sinharaja Forest was first recognized as being the only considerable patch of virgin tropical rainforest in the island. Sinharaja Forest is the best place to watch mixed-species bird flocks. According to a study carried out on the mixed-species bird flocks, 42 individual birds occur in the flocks on average, which makes this the world's largest mixed-species bird flock. Sri Lanka is home to 830 endemic species, of which 217 trees and woody climbers are found in the lowland wet zone. Of these, 139 have been recorded in the reserve, including 16 rare species. So, you can visit Sri Lanka and travel in Sinharaja and gather a lot of knowledge and memories. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video.